Okay. You're in my blog. Say hi to my blog. Yeah.
Right, anyway, do you know what kind of biscuit can fly?
No idea.
A plain one.
A plain one.
Oh,
Yeah. What kind of plane? Digestive plane? Everything's plain.
There we go. Right, so this is yours.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm wondering, is it...
What's it say? It's in about 51 kilo on it, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, no, that's alright. It's alright. Go on then.
It's fucking big enough.
Health and safety, guys.
Yeah. Right.
Yep.
Got it? Yeah. I'm good. Yeah. Right. Well, you tell me when, would. I'll follow you. I'll follow you. Right.
There you go.
I can't see you. Where am I going? I don't know.
I think it won't fit in the door.
Oh God. Oh God. Yeah. Oh God. Alright. Oh God.
Right, I'm going to step down.
Yeah.
If you wait till the house,
Yeah.
you're going to have a step.
Right. Where are we going now?
Right, this is not going through the door, so I want to drop it right here and then handball it in.
Right. You right? Yeah.
Okay.
Have to work.
Ta-da! Thank you
We
very
didn't
much.
do that. Shh. Very dangerous.
Manual handling.
Manual handling. Health and safety, guys.
That's as sad as fuck, 'cause I'm an health and safety manager.
You know, an absolute field day. So what you got to tell me then? You know, it's been a long time.
Oh, it's been a fucking hell of a long
It
time.
has. So, your mission is to print in that one, and signing that one. That one. Print that one, sign that one. Yes.
Yeah, well.
Anyway, do you know what kind of musical instrument can catch fish?
No idea.
A castanet.
Castanet.
Hey! Come on, sing your shit.
It's getting worse.
Of course you are, you should know that by now.
Right, anything
I
else?
can do a, my name is Maximus Decimus Meridius. Father's of mother's son, husband's of murdered wife, and I shall have my vengeance. You do that. I know. I've got...
Got the glasses.
Yeah. Oh, we've got to take a break of it and then it's all done. Oh, I'm going to go.
Oh dear, how many drops you got left?
That one right doing it.
Oh no.
Oh.
Aggregate.
Aggregate. There's a big lorry though.
You know what, just back up.
Well, there's no time.
Kick it offside. Just leave it on curb. It'll be alright.
Right, one of them. One of them. One of them. There's something you did earlier.
There you go.
Thank you very
Nice
much.
to meet you anyway, and you are?
You are Ascension, what you are? Can you introduce yourself, please?
I am Paul.
Paul, okay.
Or Mr. Foghorn.
With-
He knows why. Goes, oi, oi!
It's loud.
Extremely loud. But I can say hello in 29 different languages.
Do I sign the tweet?
Yes, please.
It's small word, isn't it?
So I go, Salam alaikum, Sansrikyo, Namaste, Kamcho, Ni Hao, Konnichiwa, Bonjour, Guten Tag, Hola, Chesh, Buongiorno. That's just a few. Zdravit, Ahoy, Buna, Marabayasu, Privyet, Labas, Chuni.
How about the Philippines one? You
What's
know
that
what?
one? Shalom.
No, ¿cómo está?
¿Cómo estás?
We're happy to wear
That's a new one. I've got to learn that one. Hey up me duck. Go do hey up me duck, can't we?
That works.
That works.
Why I pet?
Why
Why,
I
hey, man. Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
I think it needs a new screen.
Need a new job, whatever. But.
Paul, see you in a bit.
All right, thank you
So
very
it's
much.
Good to see you. Right, we're going around. We're coming around because I live around here now. So
Yeah.
yeah.
You know, when you come for a cup of tea or a beer.
No, you have the beer. I'll have the strong stuff.
All right.
I'll have the milk.
Thank you very, thank you very much.
Of course, take care.
Okay, bye. Oh,
What's to do with this?
how can you go
I'll
down?
figure it out. You're going to take a video of this bit stuck in the doorway. Is it going to go through the door? Stand where I am.
Not really.
Stand where I am, take the video, say, is it going to go through the door? Or do we need to unpack it here?
No, it won't fit in the door, babe.
Are you sure?
It won't fit in the door. There you go, guys. Mr. C, I'm packing this one now in here because it won't fit in the door, guys.
We'll see. Can't believe I know Paul. Foghorn. Can't remember from where, but I know him.
Wait, bye.
Yeah, mate. Oh dear.
Bestway Corporation.
It's a bit different to a shoppy delivery.
Yeah, it's a big one, guys.
Well, thank you very much, love.
I'm not talking about that one.
Oh, so
This
you
the
thought about
box.
the old ding ding there for a minute.
Hi guys. Massive one. I don't know how to do that. You know. Oh, this is the pallet. It's going to how many kilos is that, babe?
I don't know, heavy.
Is it 50 kilos?
I don't know, it's heavy. Whew, it says team lift on it.
Team lift.
Guess I'm the team.
Sideway.
Right, that's not going in.
It's not going in, so unboxing inside.
That's a bit battered.
Yeah.
Very battered.
Hopefully it's not broken though.
Well, we'll see. I'll have to unpack it here and take it in bit by bit. Whew, what a job.
What's a job, guys? Let's see, Mr. C opening the box.
Bit of an unboxing.
A bit unboxing
Bit worried
outside.
about that corner, that's not nice. That.
There you go.
Not right.
Unboxing, guys.
That's been battered on that corner.
There we go. There we go.
It's really been battered.
Lazy.
I'm going to spin it round so the video can catch it. And look at that. That's not good, is it?
It's not good. It's been battered there, guys. You see?
Oh well.
Oh well, let's see.
Let's see. Delivered with care, right?
Deliver with care. There you go. We're unboxing it outside, guys.
Been waiting all day for this delivery.
When Mr. C is starting cooking his dinner,
Then it turns up.
turn up.
I could have guessed it was Paul that were delivering it. Fog. Yeah.
Lazy Spa Toronto 7 smart one, guys. There you go. That's the brand. Mr. C unboxing because it won't fit in the door.
No.
Oops, manual. You need that?
Yeah, well, we'll see. If I run into trouble, then I'll need the manual.
There you go. Oh,
Well, I don't want the foam to be damaged. That's the thing, the important thing, is the foam. But
yeah.
that looks like the damage is in that corner. The foam's all at this end. Oh, what's this?
One.
That's a big box. Oh, we've got pillars.
Oh, I got pillows.
We've got 5 pillows.
There you go, fine.
Babies. What else we got in here?
Pump.
Filters.
Filters.
That's the inflatable bladder for the lid.
Okay. Take it one by one inside.
We've got a spare one of these now because when I put the other one in the garage, we've got one of these spare.
Okay.
The filters. Oh god. Should be light. This is the polystyrene parts.
There you go. Unboxing outside, guys, because you won't fit in the door.
Yeah, this is different. Got a pipe.
Pipe.
Okay. This, is the actual jacuzzi, which is also a bit battered.
Oh,
That's not good, is it? So we'll see.
We'll see.
As long as it hasn't broken the pump part, we'll be alright.
that's when it's going to the garage.
Pallet buying box, so yeah, it's big enough.
There you go. That's the parts inside, guys. There you go. Hopefully fit through the door now. We unboxing in the driveway of Amanda. There we go. It's Mr. C remove one pump. That's it. And so that it can fit in the door. Here we go. Come on, mister. You see, having a Stella.
I'm having a beer. I've just looked at the instruction manual. It shows nothing about how to put it together. It shows you how to empty it. Anyway, I think I need these parts to assemble this. Beer and cigarettes, guys. We're going to end up speeding this up, I think, because it's going to take forever. So let's go. I figured it, I think, yeah. Just need to get the inside pulled out now over the top and then zip to the bottom. Think with it. This will be the hardest part. We've got the foam in all right. I'm knackered. And this bit has to go over the top apparently. This is going to be fun. Because everything's wrinkled up. We'll put that there. It's definitely awkward. Very awkward. Yes, babe. When it's done, it's done. This is awkward. It'll be very strong to do this. Jesus. We'll get there eventually. Whew. Don't know how long it's going to take though. Am I supposed to put this piece in first? I don't know. I don't even know where the zip starts. Does it? How?
You need to connect first before you pull it, babe. Remove that one first.
No, you can't, because that's how it starts. Just there. Right, we'll stop the video again and I'll figure this out. It's a bastard getting this zip round, guys.
Sometimes you need to listen again.
It's only because you just told me how to do it. Release the other side and start at the zip and then pull it all in. Doesn't show that on the video though, guys. So just keep doing the zip all the way around, yeah? I just don't want to bust the zip. We'll certainly not be stripping this down again anytime soon. Whew.
Manpower, guys.
Yeah, the woman's brain's got the...
Sometimes you need a woman, babe.
Yeah, I know. I just don't like admitting it.
To listen sometime, isn't it? People say you watch the video, so I won't listen, don't they?
It's very strong. This material's really strong. It's very strong. I just don't want to burst the zip.
Keep pulling bottom and up and in.
Yes, babe. Okay, I'll listen to you.
See?
You're like a backseat driver. This is by far the worst part, guys. Getting the sides in, zipping everything up. Whew. What are you going ooh for? You're not even doing it.
Pull it together.
Yeah, I need to push that bit in. Yeah, I can see that. Nearly there.
Manpower, guys.
Yeah, it's working. I'm glad I had that idea.
What are you talking about? You won't listen to me. Then you say, yeah, I watch the video. The video sometimes is not bad. Listen sometimes. Getting there, guys.
Bloody slowly, I might add.
It's a good idea.
But it's getting there. I don't know, I'm going to get that bit over.
Tingnan din side right here then, babe. To push it. Huh?
This is the last little bit. If I give it a good shake all around, it might settle itself in. It's getting there. Just this little piece to do now.
Turn it.
Yeah, well in a bit. At the minute I'm pretty knackered.
You want a beer?
I've got one. Maybe I should push that in a bit. Maybe I need to push the sides in a touch just to get him over there. Like that. Right, this is the awkward bit. This is awkward because that seam is supposed to be here. I'll try and do it that way. Okay. It's very awkward. That's not good. It's very tight.
That way, guys.
Right, I've lost the zip now. I think the zip must be. Oh, it's here. I'm going to try and do it upside down. This is awkward. God, this is bloody awkward.
Go! Well done.
Whew. Working better.
Working better.
I think that's the end of the zip. That is the end of the zip. Why is it not going all the way? Oh, that is it. That just goes at the...
Inside like that.
So that's it.
That's it.
There's still a bit of zip left. That one bit's longer than the other. It don't matter. It just doesn't look right there. Well, that's right.
You will settle when it's got warmer, doesn't it?
I hope so.
Because it will be crazy. deeper, don't it, babe?
Huh?
More deeper.
Yeah.
I think we need a step, isn't it?
You do.
I need a step in that.
Don't think I do.
Step by step. Because I want to make a step like this.
I'll try and get in the middle.
Okay, very nice looking, guys.
I think we're there.
We did, guys. It's connection for Wi-Fi.
I bet the Wi-Fi doesn't work. Because on the last one, these only connect to Wi-Fi 2. We've got Wi-Fi 3 or 4 or something. We'll find out. Well then, apparently, that's powered up. So, next thing we've got to do, connect to the Wi-Fi, put water in it, blow the lid up, and then just let it heat up.
Yes, and we use tomorrow, innit?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Do you know, the ironic thing is, guys, I'm sweating like a Romanian on a rape charge at the minute, and I can't just get my clothes off and jump into a nice jacuzzi because there's no water in it, so I've got to wait till tomorrow. Yeah, apologies to all Romanians out there. Right, fag break, beer break, and we'll carry on.
Getting tired now. Only for updating the...
So I've got something in common with this jacuzzi. We're both well packaged. I'm still finding it.
Very nice.
That's all right, isn't it?
Pump it up in English, just a cover.
Yeah, I think it looks very nice. Well, what's next?
The cover and the foam.
We're gonna blow the cover up. Tell you what I will do is I'll put the filter in. The other part of the package, which got sent from lazyspa, came by, guess what? Yeah, and it showed that it was at the depot at 5 o'clock this morning, and then by 11 o'clock it said it's out for delivery, and by 3 minutes past 11 it said I'm sorry, your package is delayed, which is a load of bollocks. What's this? I've absolutely no idea what that is. Okay.
It's got manual in there, babe.
I just don't know what it is. No idea.
It's got manual in it, babe.
Yeah, but the manual's shit as well. I know where these go though. That's the chlorine doser. And that's the filter. There's a filter in it, thank God, because the other ones are at bloody every somewhere at the minute. Right, that's the plug. That's in as well.
So what's in there? That one then.
What? I don't know. I'll have to look in the manual. I just hope it's something that doesn't have to go in between the two skins. I'm not sure what that is.
Look in the manual, babe. Nothing to say the manual.
Yeah, but the manual's shit. It doesn't even tell you how to put it together. Yeah. Well, they're both right. It doesn't tell you anything about what that bit's for. Tells you how to empty it. God knows. There's no pictures at all with anything like that on the...
Nako, jet.
No. Nothing. Don't know what that is. It's a mystery piece. I have no idea. God knows. I know what that's for. That's for emptying. I definitely know what that's for. That is empty. That's the bladder for the lid. That's the next thing we've got to do. I have absolutely no idea what that is for.
It's not cover for that. Small one.
No. I just don't know what it is. Okay. I'll figure it out. Nope. Nope. Nothing to do with them. I have no idea. I don't know. I know what they are. That's fine. They can stay there. Fag break. That's the lid.
It's not the fresh air.
No, you're right. Okay, so that's the lid. That's the inside for the lid. Well, we've got a spare one of these now. I'm so careful with that Stanley knife when I'm cutting. I don't want to cut this. Okay, so these are patches. There's a patch. I'm hoping I don't need that.
Let's keep it there.
Yeah, I'm hoping I don't need a repair patch. Sort of running out of room now. That's the lid. I'll be getting loads of comments on YouTube for this. Smoking.
Smoking. It's not the fresh air anymore.
The only thing is that I need to... It's a really small pipe. It only reaches to there. So how am I supposed to put this lid down? And I can't unless I move that right over there.
At the moment, it blew up.
It's a bit shit, that. They could have made that longer. Definitely could have made that longer. There's a negative, guys, straight away. That blowing pipe.
It's negative, guys.
It's too short. I need to get that in there. So I think if I lay that there, put that in it, then drag the whole thing over there, I might be able to blow it up.
Then you put them again later on, isn't it?
Yeah. So let's start again. That's the lid. Let's get that out of the way. Definitely the lid. I need to put that in there. I don't even know how much to blow it up to. Okay, we'll figure it out.
It's getting tired, guys.
I'm getting hungry and tired.
This what cooking is for.
Yeah, because it's pretty simple. When you're waiting all day for something, it'll never come. Start doing something, guys, like cooking food, and they're guaranteed to turn up midway while you're doing something else. It's always the same. This is awkward. So I need to get that pipe to that. It's going to be a problem, isn't it? I'm not going to be able to do it. Nah, that's all right. I'll figure it out. Maybe I can drag this to the top of that and put some air in it. Bit of a ball ache though. That only reaches to there. I can't even reach there, look. It's pretty shit. Oh, even there I can't reach it. Okay, let's try that. Oh, the lock's on. Sort of something's happening. The old one used to have a pump on it, so you could finish it off with a hand pump. This doesn't look like it wants to do any of it. So I can't figure that bit out. But it's doing fuck all at the minute. Excuse my French.
Manual pumping, guys. Look.
This does not come with a pump. And as you just see it, I've tried to blow this up with the air on there and it's shit. Luckily we've got a pump from the old jacuzzi. If we didn't have this, we'd be knackered. There's nothing on here that tells you how much to blow it up to pressure wise either. Unless that's in the book somewhere. I have no idea. I don't know if I put enough air in it. Let's get some water in it. Let's just fill it up with water. Ball like yours.
Put some chlorine on.
I'll just put a bit in for now. Then we've got to check the chemicals later. Make sure the pH balance is right.
What else do you need to put?
Just water. Then we'll do the litmus tests and make sure that it's not too much acid or alkaline.
Clarifying water.
No, not yet. No. I don't think it's as powerful as the other one.
So it's better than the other one.
I think the other one was more powerful.
Let's see when it's got water, babe.
Yeah.
Because it's not enough water, huh?
It's not that. I think there's a kink in that.
Okay.
Like a kink. What they call a kink.
I can put the heating on now anyway because it's covered that. Heat. It's quieter. I'll put the heater on. Right, so that's heating up now. Start to warm up.
Nearly fill up, guys. There you go. Nearly there.
It took long enough
Mr. C removed the pillow. Don't know why.
because when this thing sits in top, it sits in this hole and it's going to push the pillars inside. They're going to end up in the water floating about. Not very impressed with the pillars. They're a waste of time, to be honest.
I don't know. Look, it's nearly full, guys.
Well, apart from that, though, it's all right.
That's alright.
Yeah, it's solid. You can sit on the sides.
High enough for me.
We're not going to get like punches in it like the last one.
Only problem is when you're a little bit of drunk, you got accident there. What's accident there?
You don't get drunk.
You, I mean.
Let's try the bubbles.
Like the bubbles, guys.
They're okay.
I think
It's nearly full.
test the water later on if you need chlorine and clarifying water.
Mm.
That's it. And tomorrow ready for?
I'll do that tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
But unfortunately, Every screwed up the second part of the delivery, which is like the welcome pack, which has got all the chemical parts and the testing strips. Yeah, we've got some in there.
Yeah, you got some Something
Luckily, well, the shit. Worst shipping parcel company in the world. Absolute crap.
like that. It is big, more bigger guys that we have before. So be nice.
It's
More deeper.
it's a bit bigger.
Yeah, more deeper as
It's
well.
10 centimetres higher and 10 centimetres wider. That's not a lot.
I think I need the stools.
I think you'll be all right. I mean, keep some fish in it. Oh, and I bought a cover for it as well. Not one of them covers, but it's an umbrella, 3 metre umbrella, and there's a bracket sits on the wall,
Then umbrella
and then
cover as
it'll come out, and it's 3 metres. But that's another video, guys. At the moment,
well.
yeah.
Every problem.
Always, every time. See what I did there? So we're nearly full.
Nearly full.
We're going to put the lid on it and then tighten the lid up and then leave it switched on to heat up. And then tomorrow we should be able to get us first jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my first day at work tomorrow for my new job as well.
Yeah, I'm working tomorrow 7 to 4.
And I'm at induction at 9:30 for a few hours, but I should be done by lunchtime.
So coming home, then jacuzzi in the evening.
Yeah, that'll work.
That'll work.
If the heater works.
At the moment it's 13 degrees.
Yeah.
Cold, guys.
It goes up to 40 degrees.
Yeah, 40 degrees. So
Oh, and we got the Wi-Fi working on this one as well.
so we don't have any problems.
So I've got the app now.
See you a bit, guys. It's full already. So,
Yeah.
how many gallons is that? Right?
1,300.
1,300 gallons.
Is it 1,300 gallons or 1,300 litres? I can't remember.
Liters.
1,300 litres.
And there's all the pillows we put there.
Right, need to put this on now. Here's the fun bit. You've got to fold that bit down. That folds all the way down. That's it. Brand new. Oh, I've got to set all these now. Yeah. I'll pull that halfway and that halfway. Or something like that. Yeah, I think so.
Goodbye.
See ya.
It's
Good purchase.
purchase, I mean.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see.
Seems alright. It's definitely better than the old one we had.
Okay guys, I think this is about it for vlog today.
I think it's been a very long vlog.
A long vlog and salamat po at salamat sa mga subscriber namin. Thank you very much to all our subscribers.
Yeah, and the new ones. How many subscribers have we got now, babe? 609.
Salamat po.
Thank you very much, guys.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Sabihin kong